everyone, if you are facing the battery anxiety, so here we have got this new brand Moto G57 Power, and today we are going to see this Moto features and specifications, and we will open the box and check its ultimate battery. We will even check the designs. So let's check it out. Here is our Moto G57 Power, and I have opened the box, and here you can see this is our mobile phones, and let's check it out. This is the mobile phone, and here it's look like this. I have ordered the blue and purple in color. So let's keep this phone on the side, and now let's check on the under of the box. And here we got this small mini box. And here we got the manual guides, and here is the pin ejector. Let's keep this one side. And this is the our type C, USB type C to charge our mobile phone. And here we got this adapter, it's 33 watt. Let's give this two on the side. And now let's check its buttons. Here you can see, guys, this is the volume up and down button, this is the power button. And on this side you will get the speaker and charge point. This is 3.5 mm jack, and here is the mic. And while I'm showing, I would like to turn on the Moto switch on. And this side you will get the SIM card. You can insert two SIM card or not, then I can show you. There is two dual SIM card insert tray or not. Here is the, you can insert two SIM card. So on upward you will get this mic. So friends, as you can see, here's the Moto mobile phone, and it's look very clean and leather finishing. And if you look at the camera module, it's look clean, centered, and very Moto like. On the other side we have the fingerprint, as I have told you. On the power button there is the fingerprint. It's even integrated into the power button, fast and convenient. So now let's set up our Moto mobile phone. Here you have to select your language, which language you are comfortable in. You can select the language. After that you can click on the start. This is the start. Next, here it says you can even connect this, insert this SIM card, but I will just click on this skip. And here it says set up using another device. Here I can just click on this skip. This is the Wi-Fi. You can even set up the Wi-Fi if you want to set up. Then I just set up the offline and continue. And now this is the privacy and security, so you have to accept and continue. And this is the date and time. You can just click on the next. Here's the pin password. You can even skip, or you want to set, then you can set it. I just click on the skip. And here on the Google services, I would like to off the location, and here click on the accept. And here our phone is getting up, and this is the skip. No thanks. And this in this app store you can click on the skip. This is the navigation style, which one you are comfortable with, gestures or the buttons, then you can select from here. I just click on the next. Then this is the theme, dark light transition. You can select, there is 3 types of themes. I just click on the next. And this is hello Moto. So we are finished right now. Then click on finish. Then after that, from here explore your Moto. Go to my home screen. So now let's talk about the display. Here the display is 6.72 inch FHD plus 2400x 180 LCD. And about the refresh rate, it's 120 Hz refresh rate. And the brightness is, just increase the brightness, and it's 1050 nits HBM brightness. And about the glass, it's the Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And about the RAM and storage, it's 8 GB of RAM plus 4 GB of RAM, and it's 128 GB of storage. There is 2 variants. The another variant is the 256 GB of storage, and it's expandable up to 24 GB with RAM boost. The back camera is the 50 megapixel main camera. It's dual triple setup, Sony LYTIS 600, and the front camera is the 8 megapixel. It's ultra wide 119.5, and if I capture the photos, and it's very clear when I capture the back camera, it's because 50 megapixel, as you can see. And when I click on the front, friends, this is the front camera and it's look very clear, as you can see on this is the front camera. Even on the back you are going to find this is the very clear. And under the camera you will get here slow motion video and video, photo, portrait, and the pro mode. And under the more option you will get scan, night version, panorama, ultra rays, photo board, and time lapse, dual capture video. And if I click on this FHD 30, you will get 2K, FHD 30 fps, 60 fps and 2K. And from here you can change the ratio of your camera size. This is the flashlight, and under the setting you will get this is the camera of the setting, camera setting. And if we look at the battery, it packs a massive battery. It's a 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery. It's paired with the 30 or 33 watt turbo power. Fast charging sources vary slightly, but around 33 watt is common. And the processor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 4nm, and the operating system is the Android 16 with a promise upgrade to Android 17 and 3 years of security updates. Its durability, it's even a IP64 water resistance. It's designed MIL STD 810H certified build, and its security is side mounted fingerprint reader face and low think shield for mobile. And now let's check its audio. So friends, this is the phone for the person who values endurance above all else. And yes, the camera is solid and the 120Hz screen is fantastic, but the real star is that massive battery paired with the efficient performance. And if you are a heavy user like gamers, or if you are simply hate carrying a power bank, then the Moto G57 is built for your lifestyle. It even delivers the flagship level battery confidence in a mid-range package. And if you enjoyed this detailed look, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and thanks for watching friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.